Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store? Maybe you thought it was too expensive. Maybe you thought it was too complicated. In 2026, starting an online business is easier and cheaper than ever. There is a simple method that lets you sell to anyone worldwide without touching inventory. It is called dropshipping. This guide will show you a clear path. It will give you exact steps to launch quickly. You can test ideas with very little money. No giant warehouse or huge bank loan needed. This plan is built for beginners. We will use simple words and short sentences. Goal: from idea to your first potential sale in a few weeks. Imagine a business that runs while you sleep. Imagine extra income from your laptop. This is not just a dream, it's a real possibility if you follow a clear plan. We will break down every single step: how to find a hot product, how to build a simple store, how to use low-cost ads to find your first customers. This is your 10-minute guide to a new opportunity. The promise is straightforward. Follow these steps and you can create and test a real online business. You will learn e-commerce fundamentals, understand how to find products people buy, and see how to leverage powerful tools to move fast. The cost to start is incredibly low. That means your risk is also very low. Test an idea for less than the price of a few cups of coffee. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is dropshipping? Think of it as a simple partnership. You are the owner of the online store. You find the customers. You don't keep products at home or in a warehouse. Instead, you partner with a supplier. The supplier stores products and is ready to ship. Your job: create a beautiful store and list products. You set the price and make it attractive to buyers. Here's how it works. A customer visits your store, finds a product they love, buys it, and checks out. You receive the payment, for example, $50 for a gadget, then forward the order to your supplier. You pay the supplier, say $20, and give them the customer's shipping address. You keep the difference, $30 profit. The supplier packages and ships directly to your customer, often with packaging that looks like it's from your store. The customer receives the item without knowing a third party was involved. You never buy in bulk, you don't handle packaging or postage, and you don't rent storage space. Your main focus is marketing your store and providing excellent customer service. This model removes many big risks and costs of traditional retail. Dropshipping is the perfect entry point for beginners. The financial barrier is incredibly low. You only buy after you've sold and received the money. Start with one product to test the market. If it sells, scale up. If not, switch products without losing a fortune. It gives you the flexibility to experiment and find what works. You might be wondering if it is too late to start. The answer is a clear no. In fact, 2026 is one of the best times to jump into dropshipping. Online shopping is now part of modern life. People are more comfortable than ever buying from phones, tablets, and computers. This global buyer market is constantly growing. More customers for you to reach. You are not limited to your own town. With a few clicks, you can sell worldwide. Technology makes everything easier and more accessible. You no longer need to code. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce let you create a professional store in an afternoon with no coding. They have simple drag-and-drop builders. Plus app stores packed with tools for marketing, customer service, shipping, analytics, and more. AI can write product descriptions, create ad images, and analyze sales data, saving you time and money. Startup costs are low. You can get a basic store plan for a small monthly fee. Run test ads on TikTok and Instagram for as little as $5 per day to validate ideas fast and cheap. You'll quickly see if people are interested. Customers now love small, unique brands with a story. Create a niche store, build a community, and compete by offering something special. Choosing the right product is the most important step. A great product makes marketing easy. A bad one is hard to sell, no matter the ad spend. For 2026, focus on products that are in demand, easy to ship, and have a good profit margin. Choose a niche, a specific category for a specific group. Targeted marketing beats trying to sell everything. Be the best at selling one thing first. Hot niche ideas for 2026. Small, lightweight products that solve a problem or fuel a passion. Eco-friendly, silicone food covers, bamboo utensil sets. Home office, ergonomic phone stands, LED desk lamps, clever cable organizers. Wellness self-care, smart reusable water bottles, portable blenders, yoga straps and blocks. Pets, interactive cat toys, dog grooming gloves, portable water bowls, emotional products that drive impulse buys. Hobbies and travel, DIY craft kits, beginner gardening tools, and digital nomad gear like compact laptop stands and electronic organizers. Pick products not easily found locally. Give customers a reason to buy online. Start with one product from a chosen niche and focus all your energy on it. Once you have a product idea, your next critical task is to find a reliable supplier. Your supplier is your most important business partner. Their performance affects your reputation. Good suppliers deliver quality products quickly. Bad ones cause delays, poor quality, and headaches. You cannot afford to rush this step. Use platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Zendrop. They connect you with thousands of suppliers and integrate with your store. Check ratings, number of orders, and detailed reviews. Favor established suppliers with long positive histories. Evaluate shipping options and times to your target country. Prefer faster lines when possible. Read return and refund policies carefully. Good suppliers have clear, fair terms. Review photo, description quality. Consistency signals professionalism. Most important, order a sample. Never sell a product you have not seen and tested yourself. A sample shows shipping time and packaging, lets you test product quality, and compare reality versus photos. If it disappoints, change supplier or product. With your product and supplier chosen, it's time to build your online store, your digital storefront. Make it professional, trustworthy, and easy to use. No tech wizardry needed. Platforms like Shopify are beginner-friendly and offer free trials. Choose a free, clean, fast, mobile-friendly theme. Build your product page to persuade. Use high-quality photos, take your own with the sample if needed, or generate lifestyle images with AI. Write a clear, simple description focused on benefits. Use short sentences and bullet points. Show price and shipping info clearly. Add essential trust pages. About, shipping, returns, contact. Include payment logos like Visa and PayPal. Small details make customers feel safe. Your beautiful store is built. Now you need visitors. This is where marketing comes in. Don't spend big until you have proof. Spend a small amount to gather data. Use paid social to test fast. Make short 15-30-second video ads. Hook in 3 seconds. Show the product in action, highlight the main benefit. No fancy camera needed, your smartphone is enough. Run 5 10-day tests, target by age, location and interests. While ads run, post organic content on TikTok and Instagram. Use relevant hashtags. Start a simple blog answering niche questions for Google traffic over time. After a few days, check results. Look at clicks, product page visits, and add to carts. If metrics are decent, slowly increase budget. If not, change the ad or product. It's data, not failure. The path to dropshipping success has small challenges. Many beginners make the same mistakes. Knowing them saves time, money, and frustration. Mistake: trying to sell too many products. A messy general store makes focused marketing impossible. Solution: start with one product in one niche. Master it before adding another. Mistake: skipping the product sample. Trusting supplier photos is a gamble. Results can be low quality, wrong color, or undersized, leading to unhappy customers, bad reviews, and refunds. Always order a sample and test thoroughly. Non-negotiable. It protects your brand. Mistake: hiding long shipping times. Be honest. If overseas, 2 to 3 weeks can be fine when expectations are clear. Mistake: ignoring customer service. Reply quickly and kindly, provide tracking, and communicate delays proactively. Great service builds repeat business. Honesty, plus quality, plus service. Long-term, trustworthy business. You've learned the what, why, and how of dropshipping in 2026. Knowledge is power. Action creates results. Feeling overwhelmed? Forget everything else. Your only goal now: complete these next 3 steps. Step 1. Pick one product from a hot niche you like. Decide quickly. Write it down and commit. Step 2. Order a sample from a well-rated supplier. Pay for product and shipping. Now you're officially in the game. Step 3. Start building your store during the wait. Choose a simple name and free theme. Create homepage, product page, and policy pages. Placeholders are fine. Follow these 3 steps. Pick a product, order a sample, build your store, and you'll be on your way to your first sale. The path is clear. You can do this. Good luck. All narration in a young British female voice. Start today.